Hi, welcome back. In episode 5, I made classic smashburgers. I had a massive response from friends, family and subscribers, so I thought I'd continue the smashburger theme by making Mexican style smashburgers. So let's crack on. I've got 500 grams of 20% fat ground beef. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander and half a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. A heaped teaspoon of chipotle paste and a good splash of Worcester sauce or Worcestershire sauce or wash your sister sauce, whatever you want to call it. Give it all a good mix. And separate into 6 balls weighing approximately 84 grams. Then pop it in the fridge to chill while we awaken the dragon. When your plancha is about 250 degrees C, start toasting the buns. Get the meatballs on and start smashing. When you're happy that you've got a good crust on one side, flip the patties. Then add a slice of Monterey Jack cheese. Squirt a bit of water on the grill to create some steam. Close the lid to help the cheese melt quicker. Take the patties off the grill and start building the burgers. Add guacamole. Then add some shredded iceberg lettuce. Add the patties. Place on a couple of tortillas to add a bit of crunch. top up with homemade tomato salsa. Add some spring onion, and jalapenos. I used red ones. And top off the burger. And there you have it, Mexican style smash burgers.